Hey everyone, how's it going? So this is the new DJI RS3 Mini. This is the 3-axle gimbal, ultra lightweight. So their latest release this year. They have two other versions. They're slightly bigger in size, as well as able to handle a lot more weight. So this will be able to handle approximately 4 pounds of camera. So this is a DSLR, so a Sony or a smaller Canon shouldn't be an issue with the lens, but you can also mount a smartphone or smaller device. So we'll open this box up in a second here. So this includes a gimbal, RS Mini tripod, you have your RS Mini quick release plate, L-shaped multi-camera control, USB-C charging, screw kit. So there's a tab here that we removed already, and basically you just open it up just like that. Let's flip this around. Soft padding on the top there, and pretty simple packaging. So you have your instruction manual, warranty, just a box to hold this in place. No bag for this, so you can purchase your own bag separately. This should be the charging cable and all the accessories. So that looks like the mounting bracket. This should be the tripod. Yep, tripod. And you should have some screws in here. Mounting, charging wire, USB-C to USB-C, and you have a USB-A to USB-C here as well. Actually, no, this is, yeah, USB-C to USB-A, and that is it for this box. That is it for the box. So now let's take a look at this gimbal here. So it is securely wrapped. Let's go ahead and unbag this.